Stop charging on those slow EV chargers and upgrade your system to the YLITE 40A Level 2 portable EV charger. It supports both level 1 and level 2 charging and comes with all the mounting brackets you need as well. Delivers up to 9.6 kilowatts fast charging and works with all EVs that use a J1772 connector. The installation is easy with the mounting brackets and screws all included, and it's ready to use right outside of the box. And I gotta add, it looks very, very nice. Look at that on my wall, so beautiful. Has a built-in display that shows real-time charging info. Look at that nice screen, lets you know how many amps you're pulling as well. And the adjustable current setting lets you customize your charge. So you can go from 16 to 24 to 32 to 40 amps, all the way down to 12 as well. And the delay timer helps you save on those electricity costs. And once again, it has a J1772 connector and comes with a 25-foot cable for flexibility as well. Very long, and it also supports the NEMA 515 adapter that lets you charge on level 1 with the 12 amps. So in case you need that slow charging back, you got it. That was the YLITES 40 amp level 2 portable EV charger. Buy yours now.